This is what I'm really interested in, mate. Now, this is the free air conditioner.
This is it.
This is sucking from those tubes out below the house here, out in the garden, sucking the air in, through the ground, out through this cupboard into a vent, and that's what just keeps it a nice temperature in here at all times.
Exactly. Yeah, so let me demonstrate. If I open this up, there is a grill there in the floor. That goes down into a little miniature cellar down here.
Yep.
Where the earth tubes come in, and the idea is you can just hop down in there and hose out the tubes, you know, once every couple of years to get any dust out that may have accumulated. There's actually a little tap down there so you can easily hose them out.
Okay.
But this is essentially a functional cellar, so you could store
Nice
some
and cool.
wine. Yeah, everyone knows that cellars are always cool.
Yeah, it's like a earth fridge.
I like that description, that's good.
And you can feel it, like I can really feel that coming through.
You can, yeah. It's sort of like we're in an underground house. So we've got earth all around us instead of air. And air, of course, changes temperature a lot. Earth doesn't. Earth stays pretty stable at about, 15 to 20 degrees.
I was going through, you're showing us the photos and when you started building this. How long ago was that?
We started building in 2009.
Wow.
Yeah, it was a 7-year process, but I wasn't trying to break any speed records, and when you add up all the days, it was about
Quality,
9
not
months.
quantity?
Yeah, that's right.
Mate, you've even got these little jar lights.
Yep. We've sort of tried to stick with the recycling theme as much as possible.
Marty, if someone has an interest in wanting to build one of their own, how do they get in touch with you?
They go to earthshipecohomes.com.au and they'll find me, and also lots of photos of earthships that we've built here, mainly in South Australia.
Yeah.
So Marty, people can actually come and experience this for themselves and book in and stay here, mate.
That's right, yes. This is a bed and breakfast on Airbnb. You may need to be patient. It's often booked out 3 to 6 months ahead.
I can imagine.
That's not a bad thing.
No.
That's not a bad thing at all. Really.
So how can people find out how to stay here?
Go to Airbnb.
Simple.
Search for Earthship Iron Bank.
And look, guys, the drive in here was stunning. When we got here, we were not disappointed. We've seen this on television shows before. I've seen photos, magazines, and when we got here, we were still blown away because it is absolutely so impressive to be here in real life and see what the work that you've done here. Well, Marty, thank you. You're a ripping bloke, mate. Thank you very much for having us here.
Pleasure.
Thanks,
Thanks,
you,
Kim.
Marty, so much.
And,
Lovely to meet you.
Next time we come back up here, mate, we'll definitely drop in and have a beverage with you and enjoy this beautiful place you've created.
I look forward to it.
Thanks, Marty.
Thanks, Mick.